There we go, black rat snake. What's up, buddy? About 3.5, 4 feet long. About 1 inch in diameter, maybe a little more.
Two. Hey, buddy. You're pretty cute. Go on, it's alright. Have at it. No boo boo.
You want to take off? He's become pretty docile. You're a fine fellow, or gal, whatever you are. Yeah, show us that black tongue. There you go. Give me that black tongue. Show it. There you go. Oh, yeah. Okay. Now you're starting to move a little bit. You know we're not going to hurt you. May have been in the basement all the winter. He'd be hungry now. He may have got him a field mouse or two, but I don't know.
It's been a while since you smelled the outdoors, huh, buddy?
There you go. Skedaddle. Go get you some dinner. He's tasting the air. He hasn't had any outside flavor in a while.
My mother come back to life.
There you go. Now he's stretching on out.
Yeah. You're right. He's probably so cool.
You're a nice one. There you go.
Hi, buddy. Good luck.
I'm gonna find me something to eat. Leave me alone.
Okay. Bye.
I don't know what kind of snake you are. You're not venomous, though. You are a pretty thing. Look at those big eyes. Hey, buddy. Boy, look at those eyes. He is about 18 inches long. About not as big around as a pencil. Let's say about 2/3 the size of a pencil. Long pointed tail. What are you, my fine crawly friend? Can we zoom in any more on you? Oh, look at that. That's a good one. Want to stick your tongue out for us? No? Okay. Well, we're going to go ahead and leave you alone. How about that? Go get you something to eat and enjoy your day. Okay. Well, see, if you take your time, you will see things. And that's the thing about these forests and woods. People walk through these woods and say, we never see anything, we never see anything. Well, you're walking through there sound like a buffalo. If you sit down and be still for about 20 or 30 minutes, things will start showing themselves. Thought we might have seen a great blue by now, but not yet. Swanee River, big shoals.